Let's talk about your ordeal with the DSS. Have the security agencies opened investigations on the matter concerning your abduction, and how far has the matter gone?
I wrote to the DGDSS. I have copies. I have copies here. I think it's even in my file here. I wrote to the DGDSS. I wrote to the Inspector General of Police that I mentioned their names. Lukman Salahuddin, Ladoja, Olushola Ladoja, Usman Baba Kankia from Samaru in Zaria, Omar Farouk from Niger State, Olubenga Adeyeye. I wrote with their phone numbers. Nothing was done.
Are they members of NANS?
You see, NANS, we have Touts, Cultists, and Thugs in NANS. As a matter of fact, I want Nigerians to know, and all those listening to us to know that I left student activism a long time ago. I hold a degree in computer science and a master's in information science. Why should I come back to be in NANS? People persuaded me. They said, Atiku, we know that you are strong, you are courageous, you are not a cultist, but you can fight cultism. Come and sanitize the organization. I said, no, I've passed this stage in my life. Say, this stage you are saying you have passed, it can destroy the entire country. If really you are sincere, come back and contest for us. I said, okay, I don't even have the money because it requires a lot of money. They said they were going to help me, support me financially, and then talk to other persons. That was how I emerged as NANS president. I have always stood for justice. Then after the whole thing, in DSS custody, they took me to a court, and the case died down like that. It should not die down like that. This should be investigated. It should be investigated. What kind of country are we? You just...
Your interest is that the case be investigated.
Be investigated. If it's not investigated, I will still continue to accuse Seyi Tinubu in my heart that he sent these people, and what Seyi should know is this. He is not learning from history. When the late General Sani Abacha was head of state, Al-Mustafa and others, according to what people said, and according to what the late professor of criminology said, that they humiliated him. And some journalists also said that even Mohammed Abacha participated in it. What happened to him? When his father died, he was imprisoned. His mother Mariam Abacha was running from left to right, begging people. It was out of pity for Mariam Abacha that Mohammed Abacha was released. Seyi should know. I am telling the world today, I have no doubt in my mind, Seyi will go to prison. Keep this record. Whether they succeed in killing me or they don't kill me, what is sure is that he will go to prison. Else, the only thing that will save Seyi from going to prison, there are two things. This matter be investigated and should be compensated, because I have reported him to the highest authority. It is not because they macheted me that I cannot use my hand to write again. I can't write. If I'm writing, you see that you think I just started a boy in primary school. Sometimes when I go to bank to write, and my friends are with me, they say, bring your pen, let's help you to write. I have one of the best handwritings. But because they macheted me here, I can't hold pen very well. So I try to, because this hand is not actually working. This one with ring is not working. I was humiliated in DSS custody by the same person who is very powerful in the country. But what he has forgotten is that the most powerful is God Almighty. And that's why I have reported him to God, and you will see he will go to prison.